Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some breaking AI news that could completely reshape the world of scientific research. Google just announced a new AI system called AI Co-Scientist, built on their Gemini 2.0 model. But before we get into the details, let's address the elephant in the room. Is this a revolutionary tool for scientists, or is it the first step towards replacing them altogether? Stick around, because we're going to break down exactly what this AI can do, what the experts are saying, and what it means for the future of scientific discovery. This is not just another AI announcement. This is a potential game changer. Okay, so what exactly is this AI co-scientist? According to Google Research, it's designed to be a collaborative tool for scientists, helping them to create novel hypotheses and research plans. Imagine you're a researcher trying to understand how a disease-causing microbe spreads. You can simply describe your research goal in natural language, and the AI will propose testable hypotheses, summarize relevant published literature, and even suggest possible experimental approaches. Think of it as having a superpowered research assistant that never sleeps and has access to all the scientific knowledge ever published. But Google is very clear. This is not meant to automate the scientific process. It's intended to help experts gather research and refine their work, not replace them. They're excited to see how researchers will use the system to push the boundaries of scientific knowledge. This could be huge for speeding up discovery, but let's dig deeper. The AI co-scientist is powered by Gemini 2.0, Google's advanced AI model. This is crucial because it means the AI can handle complex reasoning and understand nuanced scientific language. We're talking about an AI that can process and synthesize vast amounts of information, identify patterns, and make connections that human researchers might miss. Think of it like this. Gemini 2.0 provides the raw power, and the AI co-scientist is the specialized application designed specifically for scientific research. This combination is what makes this tool so potentially powerful. It leverages the latest advancements in AI to tackle some of the biggest challenges in science. But how exactly does it work? Let's get a bit more technical. One of the key features of the AI co-scientist is its ability to generate testable hypotheses. This is where the AI really shines. It can analyze existing research, identify gaps in knowledge, and propose new avenues for investigation. For example, if a scientist is studying liver fibrosis, the AI can suggest potential therapeutic targets based on its analysis of relevant literature and biological pathways. Google even reported that in an experiment, all approaches suggested by the AI co-scientist demonstrated promising activity and potential to inhibit disease causes. That's pretty impressive. But it's important to remember that these are just suggestions. The scientist still needs to design and conduct the experiments to validate the AI's hypotheses. It's a collaboration, not a replacement. This is where the human element remains critical. Beyond hypothesis generation, the AI co-scientist also excels at synthesizing vast amounts of scientific literature. This is a huge time saver for researchers who often spend countless hours reading and summarizing papers. The AI can quickly identify the most relevant publications, extract key findings, and present them in a concise and organized manner. This allows scientists to focus on the more creative and strategic aspects of their work, such as designing experiments and interpreting results. It's like having a personal literature review expert on demand. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture, the potential upsides and downsides of this technology. One of the biggest potential benefits of the AI co-scientist is that it could dramatically accelerate the pace of scientific discovery. By automating many of the time-consuming tasks associated with research, the AI can free up scientists to focus on the most important and challenging problems. This could lead to breakthroughs in areas like medicine, materials science, and climate change. Imagine developing new treatments for diseases faster than ever before, or discovering new materials with revolutionary properties. The possibilities are endless. But with great power comes great responsibility. We need to consider the potential ethical implications of this technology. One of the biggest concerns about AI in general is the potential for bias. If the AI is trained on biased data, it could perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities. For example, if the AI is trained primarily on data from Western populations, it might not be as effective for people from other ethnic backgrounds. It's crucial to ensure that the AI is trained on diverse and representative datasets to avoid these biases. Another concern is the potential for the AI to be used to spread misinformation. If someone were to deliberately feed the AI false or misleading information, it could generate incorrect hypotheses and lead to flawed research. Safeguards need to be in place to prevent these types of abuses. This is a serious issue that needs careful consideration. Of course, The big question on everyone's mind is whether the AI co-scientist could lead to job displacement for scientists. While Google insists that the tool is meant to be a collaborative aid, it's hard to ignore the potential for automation to reduce the need for certain types of research positions. Specifically, roles that involve repetitive tasks like literature review and data analysis could be at risk. However, it's also possible that the AI could create new jobs in areas like AI development, data curation, and scientific communication. The key is to prepare for these changes and ensure that scientists have the skills and training they need to adapt to the new landscape. It's a complex situation with no easy answers. Beyond job displacement, there are broader ethical considerations to think about. Who is responsible if the AI makes a mistake that leads to a negative outcome? How do we ensure that the AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity? These are difficult questions that require careful thought and discussion. We need to develop ethical guidelines and regulations to govern the use of AI in scientific research. This is not just a technical challenge. It's a societal challenge that requires input from scientists, policymakers, and the public. It's time to start having these conversations now. Currently, the AI co-scientist is only available to a limited number of researchers who are part of Google's Trusted Tester program. This allows Google to gather feedback and refine the system before making it more widely available. It's a smart approach that allows them to identify and address potential problems before they become widespread. If you're a scientist who's interested in participating in the program, you can learn more on the Google Research blog. This is a great opportunity to get early access to this cutting-edge technology and help shape its future development. Keep an eye out for updates as the program expands. Interestingly, Google isn't the only company making waves in the AI space. Anaconda recently announced a new tool called Lumen AI, which is designed to make AI-powered analytics more accessible to data scientists and business leaders. Lumen eliminates the need for coding, allowing users to quickly generate SQL queries, analyze datasets, and build interactive dashboards. This is another example of how AI is being used to democratize access to powerful tools and technologies. The field is moving fast, with new innovations being announced all the time. It's an exciting time to be involved in AI research and development. And let's not forget about xAI, Elon Musk's AI company, which recently launched Grok 3. According to xAI, Grok 3 outperforms Google's Gemini, DeepSeek's V3 model, Anthropic's Claude, and OpenAI's GPT-4o across math, science, and coding benchmarks. Musk claims that Grok 3 has more than 10 times the computing power of its predecessor. This shows that the competition in the AI space is fierce, with companies constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This competition is ultimately good for innovation, as it drives companies to develop better and more powerful AI systems. The future of AI is looking bright. Speaking of new ventures, Mira Murati, the former CTO of OpenAI, recently launched her own AI startup called Thinking Machines Lab. The company aims to build tooling to make AI work for people's unique needs and goals, and to create AI systems that are more widely understood, customizable, and generally capable. This is further evidence of the growing interest in AI and the potential for new companies to emerge and disrupt the industry. Murati's experience at OpenAI gives her a unique perspective on the challenges and opportunities in the AI space. It will be interesting to see what Thinking Machines Lab develops in the coming years. So, what does all of this mean for the future of science? The AI co-scientist has the potential to revolutionize the way research is conducted, accelerating the pace of discovery and leading to breakthroughs in a wide range of fields. However, it's important to be aware of the potential ethical implications and ensure that AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. We need to have open and honest discussions about these issues and develop guidelines and regulations to govern the use of AI in scientific research. The future of science is being shaped by AI, and it's up to us to ensure that it's a future we can all be proud of. It's a wild ride, and we're just getting started. What do you think about Google's AI co-scientist? Do you think it's a revolutionary tool or a potential threat to scientists? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. We want to hear your thoughts and opinions on this important topic. The conversation about AI is just beginning, and your voice matters. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.